Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can recover deleted message from WhatsApp. As you can see, I've already installed recover messages WhatsApp. And how does it work? It's very easy. To recover your deleted messages recover from WhatsApp, all you need to do, we must enter our phone number. I enter my phone number. Press button deleted messages recovery and press button generate. Now all deleted messages on WhatsApp will be recovered and added to our account. This is very amazing application. This work on Android, also in iOS in 2023. So we wait to finish this process. And yeah, everything is complete, as you can see, and my account now recover all deleted messages. So if you want to recover your messages deleted, use this application. How to download this application? This step is very easy. Open this website, as you can see, genmod.pl, and this website allowed you to download this amazing application and allowed you to recover your messages from WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Bye.